Did you know there's a creature in our oceans that has 3 hearts, blue blood, and can taste with its skin? No, it's not a visitor from another planet, but it might as well be. Today, we're diving deep into the world of one of the most fascinating, intelligent, and downright bizarre animals on Earth, the octopus. Get ready to have your mind blown as we uncover 5 incredible facts that will make you see these 8-armed geniuses in a whole new light. First up, let's talk about their incredible intelligence. You might think dogs or dolphins are smart, but octopuses are in a league of their own. They are master problem solvers. In labs, they've learned to navigate complex mazes, unscrew jars from the inside to get a snack, and even recognize and remember individual human faces. They can distinguish between people they like and people they don't, sometimes squirting water at the ones who annoy them. But their intelligence goes beyond simple tricks. Out in the wild, they use tools. The veined octopus, for example, will gather discarded coconut shells and carry them around, assembling them into a portable shelter when they need to hide from predators. Imagine carrying your own emergency bunker with you everywhere you go. This level of forethought and planning is a sign of highly advanced cognition, proving that these invertebrates are anything but simple. Now let's get into their truly alien-like biology. As I mentioned, octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 of the hearts work exclusively to pump blood through their gills, while the third, larger heart circulates blood to the rest of the body. What's even stranger is that this main heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims. This is why they often prefer to crawl along the seabed rather than swim long distances. It is just too exhausting. And their blood. It's not red like ours, it's blue. This is because their blood uses a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin to transport oxygen instead of the iron-based hemoglobin that we have. This special blue blood is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments, which is perfect for life deep in the ocean. 3 hearts and blue blood. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Next on our list is their unparalleled skill in camouflage and disguise. Octopuses are the ultimate masters of stealth. Their skin is covered in thousands of special pigment sacs called chromatophores, which they can expand or contract in an instant. This allows them to change their color, pattern, and even their skin texture to perfectly match their surroundings. They can go from smooth and white to bumpy and brown, mimicking a rock or a piece of coral in less than a second. But they don't just blend in. They also impersonate other animals. The mimic octopus is famous for this, able to contort its body to look and move like venomous lionfish, sea snakes, or flatfish to scare off predators. It's an incredible defense mechanism that showcases their awareness and adaptability. They're not just changing colors, they're actively deciding what to become to survive. Moving on to fact number 4, and this one is a bit of a heartbreaker. The life of an octopus is often tragically short and dedicated entirely to the next generation. After mating, the male octopus's life comes to an end relatively quickly. The female, however, embarks on the ultimate act of maternal sacrifice. She will lay thousands of eggs and guard them fiercely, sometimes for months, without ever leaving to eat. She gently blows currents of water over them to keep them clean and oxygenated, fending off any potential threats. During this entire time, she slowly starves. By the time her eggs finally hatch, she has used up all of her energy, and her life cycle comes to a close, often just as her tiny, free-swimming babies emerge into the world. It's a powerful and poignant example of dedicating one's life completely to ensure the survival of your offspring. Finally, let's talk about their arms. Calling them tentacles is actually incorrect. They are arms, and they are incredible. Each of the 8 arms contains about 2/3 of the octopus's total neurons. This means each arm has a mind of its own, to an extent. They can act independently to explore, taste, and touch, all without direct input from the central brain. If an arm is severed, not only can it grow back, but the detached arm can still react to stimuli for up to an hour, crawling around and even grabbing onto things. And those suckers on their arms aren't just for gripping. They are lined with chemoreceptors, which means an octopus can taste and smell whatever it touches. Imagine being able to taste your food just by holding it. This distributed nervous system makes the octopus an incredibly efficient multitasker and a formidable hunter. So there you have it. From their problem-solving brains and tool use to their 3 hearts, blue blood, shape-shifting skin, tragic life cycle, and smart, regenerating arms. The octopus is truly one of the most remarkable and mysterious creatures in our oceans. They challenge our very definition of intelligence and show us that life can evolve in ways we could never imagine. The next time you see an octopus, remember you're looking at a true marvel of nature. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive today. If you found these facts as fascinating as I do, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure into the amazing world of animals. See you in the next video.